All right, everybody, Jim King, King Piers team out here finishing up this project. Our cleanup crew will be out here tomorrow. All this stuff will be dirt and rock, concrete, gravel. It'll all be gone. We brought too much gravel out here. We'll just use it on our next job that we got going up on 112th Street. Really nice neighborhood over here in Mission, Kansas. Really nice people, no problems. Homeowners were 5-star all the way. Mark and Tambra, great people. My kind of people. Tambra was out of town during this project, and I think if she was here, she'd be pleased. We kept her updated with videos. Wrapping it up, folks. King Piers, soon to be done out here in Mission, Kansas. For all your foundation repair needs, call us. I believe we are the very best at what we do. 816-521-8915. Or go to our website, kingpiers.com.